November 13, 2025. 1 o'clock in the afternoon here in the Philippines. Wait, I'm gonna comb my hair. No need to comb my hair and wash my... Guys! Tagalog tayo ngayon, guys. Gagawa tayo ng suman na kamuting kahoy. O sa amin sa Ilonggo, tawag is alupi. Ito na. May mga dahon na akong ginawang ganito. Or mix na lang, guys. Sa amon, sa Ilonggo, tawag sa amon, dahon sang saging, himuon alupi. Tapos, ilahog namon ang saging. Kasi po, tomorrow, it's my papa's death anniversary. November 14. So, gagawa tayo ng alupi o suman na kamuting kahoy. Oh, guys wag nyo akong ibabash Wala akong apoy, kundi ang dahon ko dito ko lang pinainit sa gas stove namin. Baka mayroong mang-bash dyan. Favorite ko to, guys. Native Filipino food. Sorry, guys. I'm a traditional person. So this is my banana leaves. Guys, ganyan ang kamuting kahoy namin. Ngayon, ginagawa ni Aliyah, ginigrade. Ayan. Yan siya. Ito yan siya.
Looks like quite a celebration.
Mo, diyan magagawa ako ng...
Yeah. Sorry, I have to blow that up for you. It makes a great decoration.
Hello guys, ito na yung ginawa nating suman na kamuting kahoy, or in English, cassava. No basher. And then okay. I'm done, guys. Look, guys. Look. Oh, wow. That's my suman. Yan ang suman ng Ilonggo. Sarap. If ever dreams my arms again, I will love you forever. If ever you're in my arms again, this time I'll love you forever. This time will never end. I'll hold you forever. This time will never end. guys. I'm done already my alupi. That's my suman. Yan ang tawag sa amin ay alupi. Bye guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.